Hi, my name is Landon Lampkin, and I teach at the Lakeside Elementary and Lakeside High School in the Wakanda School District. I teach K-12 vocal music as well as K-5 STEM and K-5 technology. I kind of do a lot around there, pretty much wherever they need me. That's in Downs, Cawker City, Glen Elder, and Tipton, Kansas. Yeah, I for my role, I'm obligated to use a lot of technology in the sim lab and in the computer class. I use code.org. I use other coding, typing programs. I also have been using Google Classroom. I've been using Seesaw to share with parents, and Bloom's just recently. I don't know about that one yet. I have also been using robots, starting to use robots in the STEM class and starting to use just other iPads and technology in the STEM classroom. I really enjoy using it. We recently wrote a grant for more digital tools that I have access in my current role. It's for that we just recently got iPads. We're trying to expand to some Mimeo boards and pens. The school is behind in the access we had in technology, and we're trying to bring it up to more speed in a small district. That can be really hard, and it's important to me that we are able to teach the students and the teachers how to use technology in the best way that is proactive and that works and aids to teaching rather than and into learning rather than taking away from it. I'm very comfortable with the Google apps. I've used pretty much everything on there. This is the first time I've used Communities, but I've used Docs, Classroom. I've been using the add-ons for Docs recently. I think they're pretty cool. I've been using Slides and Sheets. Pretty much everything on there is kind of where I'm comfortable with. Yeah, it's just a really convenient place to put everything together. So, thanks, guys.